Dwarka, City of Lord Krishna. Dwarka is a city and a municipality of Jamnagar district in the Gujarat state in India. Dwarka is one of the 7 most ancient cities in the country. It shares a historic story connecting the links of Dwarka with Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna in Mahabharata and other Hindu epics many times is honored as DwarikaDIsh, means the king of Dwarka. Mahabharata have often described as myths that on the same day Krishna left the earth, the powerful dark-bodied Kali age descended, the oceans rose and submerged the whole of Dwarka. According to Vishnu Purana, Dwarka was submerged by the sea right after Lord Krishna left the earth. In the early 80s, an important archaeological site was found in India at Dwarka, the site of the legendary city of Lord Krishna. Now it is discovered that the whole coast of western India sank by nearly 40 feet around 1500 BC. Dwarka is considered to be one of the holiest cities in Hinduism and one of the Char Dham along with Badrinath, Puri, Rameshwaram. The city is especially respected by Vaishnavas. The Jagat Mandir temple, which is said to be house of DwarikaDIsh, a form of Krishna, is also located in Dwarka. Nageshwara Jyotirlinga, one of the 12 holy shrines of Shiva, is located near Dwarka. Dwarka is also the site of Dwarka Peeth, one of the 4 cardinal mathas established by Adi Shankara. The Lord here is dressed in Kalyana Kolam, where he appears to be royal wedding costume. It is one of the 108 Divya Deshams. The DwarikaDIsh temple. The original temple was believed to be built by Krishna's great-grandson, King Vajra, while the present temple was built from 6th to 7th century. The 5-storied temple is made of limestone and sand. A flag is hosted in the temple tower 5 times each day. There are 2 gateways, Swarga Dwar, where pilgrims enter, and Moksha Dwar, where pilgrims exit. From the temple, one can view the Sangam of river Gomti flowing towards the sea. In Dwarka, there are also shrines for Vasudeva, Devaki, Balraman Revati, Subhadra, Rukmini Devi, Jamanti Devi and Satyabhama Devi. There is a special temple for Rukmini Devi on the way to Bet Dwarka temple. Bet Dwarka, a similar deity to Lord Dwarkanath, is also kept in Bet Dwarka. The temple of Bet Dwarka can be reached by boat. The temple has many shrines for Lakshmi Narayana, Trivikrama, Jamvati Devi, Satyabhama Devi and Rukmani Devi. How to reach? Reach Dwarka via air. Jamnagar Airport is the nearest domestic airport which links Dwarka with all the main cities of the country. One can get frequent flights for different destinations from here. From Jamnagar, one can take a cab and can arrive at the enchanting city of Dwarka. Reach Dwarka via train. Dwarka railway station located in the Ahmedabad-Okha rail route and is linked to other main railheads of the regions. Reach Dwarka via road. Driving to Dwarka can be fun and quite an adventure. As you negotiate the roads, you will come in direct contact with God's masterful work in the form of the beautiful countryside. The road to Dwarka are well built and well maintained. Driving during the night is not advisable due to safety concerns.